coverage for quiz 1. Yan. So, bring I will provide the bond paper. So, next week, Thursday. So, I will finish chapter 2. Kaya wala pa ta naman sa Tuesday. And then by Thursday next week, okay, quiz 1. Quiz 1. Okay. Okay, so let's start. So for quiz 2, we will cover first the IAS computer. Yan, which is this one. Von Neumann, machine. So Institute of Advanced Studies, computer. Okay, this one. So let's proceed to an example. So for your quiz next meeting, you will be given a C code. Okay, example, we have A, B, plus C. Okay, so given this C code, you're going to convert this one to assembly. Okay, so this one will result to based on the following given IAS computer instruction. So to be able to add B plus C first and then subtract with D, you need to load B and then add C. So you need to have a memory. So this is your memory. Okay, I will create a huge memory. This is your memory. Divided into 2. We have here the instruction. Okay, we have data. So instruction is divided into 2. We have the left and then the right. Okay, and then you have each instruction. So 5 lang. And then we have data.